Oh yeah, quail chick. Oh wow. Oh wow. We cooking nuts. See? Oh wow. Quail. Oh man. Oh. Delicious. It is not hot. You know we like because our food. Oh yeah. Quail chick cooking. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you so much. Quail, quail, this is bird. This is a bird. And we're cooking in mayo. On George Foreman. Very nice. It's almost done, actually almost done. You can be crazy and add some cats. You see ketchup? Hunts. Because we like hunting. Check out our hunting video. And how we marinated this quail was so nice. Very nice. This is the best cooking channel. Check us out. We have how to prepare this quail, make this quail, seafood, everything. Tomorrow we're going to be cooking catfish, red snapper also coming up. This is walleye. Walleye, see? Very nice. See, very cool. And quail, back to quail. George Foreman grill. See? Well, and we close it up. And make this red, see, so it's cooking. Let me show you one more time. Very nice. Looks very delicious. So delicious, superstitious. Baby quails, not baby shark. But we have cooking also baby shark videos. Please check it out. We're gonna be eating this soon. Thank you for watching. God bless you and your family and everybody.